Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
Open Settings from Start, then select Devices to manage Bluetooth connections for Windows 10. The Devices panel lists Bluetooth and other devices with names and icons. Paired devices appear under the Bluetooth section with connection status and type. Removing a device stops automatic reconnection and clears its pairing information from this PC. You can later pair the device again using Add Bluetooth or Other Device. Follow the next steps to safely unpair single or multiple devices without affecting audio or drivers. Click the device entry in Bluetooth and Other Devices, then choose Remove Device to unpair immediately. Windows 10 will prompt you to confirm removal before deleting the pairing data. Confirm Remove Device when prompted to delete pairing and stop auto reconnect. If you need to remove multiple devices, repeat these steps for each listed device name. For Bluetooth keyboards and mice, disconnect power if still active before removing to avoid input conflicts. Reboot Windows 10 after removal to clear any lingering connection entries. If a device reappears after removal, open Device Manager to uninstall the Bluetooth driver. Uninstalling the device entry, then scanning for hardware changes, reinstalls drivers cleanly. Turning Bluetooth off for 10 seconds resets the adapter and can clear cached pairings. Run the Bluetooth troubleshooter from settings if entries remain or pairing fails repeatedly. Use Add Bluetooth or Other Device to repair devices when you want them back. Keep device firmware updated and maintain distance under 3.5 meters during pairing for reliable connections.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.